today guys, I am going to buy a bottle of rum in the liquor store in Moorbridge. So guys, I'm just planning to take you all with me, and thank you guys for always watching my videos, and thank you for all those who are new and subscribe. Big up and bless up. So guys, let's get out this vehicle and go into that little shop. So guys, let's go across, and it's Christmas guys, so here we have a nail shop. So this is what everywhere look like, and this is a pharmacy up here. So we're going in the liquor shop, which is straight ahead, and we have Coles supermarket here. So let's go inside and see what we can find. I know what I'm looking for. I needed to make my cake, so let me just call my husband first.
Okay. Nothing's come
This
through
one?
yet. Excuse me.
It's okay.
Could you give me a fireball?
So guys, here we are. I think I'm gonna purchase the Moscato Rose. So guys, here we are. It's beginning to look like Christmas. Oh,
Okay. Nothing's come
this
through
one?
yet. Excuse me.
It's okay.
Could you give me a fireball?
So guys, here we are. I think I'm gonna purchase the Moscato Rose. So guys, here we are. It's beginning to look like Christmas. Oh, everybody's saying that I move a little bit too fast. Let me see. 26. Maybe this could use too, because it's a red blend. I'm trying to find something like a red label like what we have in Jamaica. This one is, oh my god, it's not bad. I'll go to the other side. Oh wow, oh wow, guys, look at this. This is beautiful. Raspberry. Should I buy one of this? So I'm gonna use one of this in my fruit punch that I'm doing, guys. So
No worries, have a good afternoon. You too. Did you like your receipt? No worries.
just give me a minute, I soon come.
Okay.
You're closing soon?
No,
Oh.
9 o'clock.
Oh,
Long time away.
There was some other good. So guys, I'm out of the store, the Liquorland, and I'm gonna walk over to where I park, all the way over there. So because I have this box, I cannot walk with the box and the camera. So that's why I stop here. Guys, the young ladies that used to be in here that I'm used to, they are not here anymore. So I am still looking around. Oh, this bottle is so beautiful. Look at this, guys. And it's a Moscato, guys. It's pretty. My goodness. This one is nice too, for $21. This is cold. I really love this. It's really pretty. And over this side, and up here these are for $10, $12, $16. And this one is pretty too. This bottle is nice. This is for $10. Yellow tail. This is a good one also. Oh wow, look at this. This bottle is pretty. So pretty, 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 pretty. Everything. So guys, I'm gonna be doing some cash. Gonna cash out what I'm gonna take. And this is going to be the end of the video. End of the Christmas video. This one is nice too. And here we have the red label over here. And this is what I know. This is not, this is Smirnoff. And this one is good also. Let me take down the cocktail disco ball. Looks good. It's beautiful. Also the disco ball, the price is that, and the entire bottles for $12. Oh, that is eye-catching. So guys, I'm finished with the Liquorland, which is right there, and now I'm going into Kmart Hub just to look around. And here are the Christmas things, guys. They are at the front. Good old Santa for $22. Santa's. So let's go in the Christmas section. Cute. Sticker for bags. These are cute little baskets. $5, guys. $12 for the sock, Santa sock. Oh wow, I have to purchase one of these. We have teddy bears at the top. And these are for $2 to go over your wine bottle, guys. It's cute. Cocktails for Christmas. And these are nice. $12? Wow, 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 wow. These are cute. Actually, I really like these. I like them. These are candles, guys. Let's see what this is. Watermelon and mint. And it smells good. For $12. So nice. These are nice. Smell them.
They do look actually quite nice.
Trust me, I am going to buy one.
Oh yeah,
And
definitely.
you
They
see,
are quite
it's
nice.
watermelon and mint.
Oh nice.
And I like the container.
They are
Because
quite cool.
the
actually,
container
aren't
looks
they?
like you can use it as a wine glass after.
Well, you can use it as a wine glass after.
So I'm gonna buy one. So guys, this is quite cute. I am going to purchase one of them. So I'm taking this, guys. It's so pretty. And here we have another set of candles, guys. And this section smells so nice. It's really nice. Yes. Guys, look at this. This is cute. But for some reason I like the clear ones, but this is nice. I was talking to a lady and I showed her this candle. Oh my god, guys, it smells so good. So I am buying this. The mint and the watermelon is so nice. So guys, let's keep rolling. And guys, Tony's at work. I just went and make an appointment for him at the physiotherapy. So, and now I'm using my Osmo Pocket 3. I put on the wider lens on it so you can show both sides. And it's working quite fine. I really like it. Really like this camera. So let's show you all over in the store. I don't want to point on anyone to do any video. So guys, look at this set. This is nice. So guys, I've just worked out how to open this. Twist and turn. Isn't this cute? Guys, I have to carry a big bag because of camera and all kind of different things that I use when I'm doing video on the road, so excuse the big bag. Look at this serving board. It says a two-tone. Let's turn it around. It's nice.
그러니까 사서 우리 나가자.
Guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with a friend. See you in the next video. Have a great day.